Financial education is having the knowledge and skills to make smart decisions with your money. It's often called financial literacy, and it's essential if you want to move forward and succeed in life. If you're working on improving your financial and personal life, chances are you're aiming for financial freedom and independence. This means reaching a point where you don't have to rely on a job you dislike or depend on family for money. But let me introduce another concept: financial confidence. Financial confidence is different from freedom. While freedom is tied to how much money you have, confidence comes from knowing you can create wealth whenever you need to. It's about mastering your ability to generate income. Now, here's a common misconception. Many people believe that money is scarce. They think making more money is impossible. That couldn't be further from the truth. The world is full of money, but only those with the right skills and knowledge know how to access it. Think of money as a game. Like any game, it has rules. If you learn and follow those rules, you can take control of your financial life. In this video, I'll share the 4 most important rules of money, rules that are the foundation of being financially literate, confident, and free. These rules can transform the way you think about money and elevate your financial game, but only if you're ready to put in the work. And the best part, this knowledge is completely free. I'm not here to sell you books, courses, or webinars. All I ask is for a like and a subscription to this channel if you find this valuable. What's amazing is how accessible financial knowledge has become. With just a few searches, you can find a wealth of free information. Yet despite this, over 90% of people remain financially uninformed. Take Peter, for example. He gets his paycheck, $1,700 after taxes, and instead of investing, saving, or making smart choices, he spends it all on parties and unnecessary expenses. Does that sound familiar? Are you a Peter? The truth is, most people can improve their financial situation if they're willing to change a few bad habits and adopt a wealth-building mindset. Wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's a result of financial education and discipline. Interestingly, studies show that 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years. Why? Because having money isn't enough. You need to know how to manage it. Without financial education, even millions can disappear. Unfortunately, this kind of education isn't taught in schools. You have to seek it out yourself. So why don't more people take the time to learn? There are 2 main reasons. Reason 1, conventional wisdom society often promotes a scarcity mindset. Growing up, you may have heard things like money doesn't grow on trees, or money is the root of all evil. These beliefs hold people back from taking the steps needed to build wealth. Debt is another misunderstood concept. While bad debt, like taking on loans you can't repay, can be harmful, good debt can help you grow wealth if used wisely. Sadly, many people demonize all debt because they lack financial knowledge. To learn about money, listen to those who've mastered it. It's like learning to ski. You wouldn't take lessons from someone who's never skied. The same goes for finances. Seek advice from people who understand how to create wealth. Reason 2, comfort zone and self-esteem. Building wealth requires confidence and a strong sense of self-worth. You need to believe you deserve success. If you don't, you'll never take the risks needed to achieve it. A successful mindset starts with stepping out of your comfort zone. Many people fear failure or even success itself, but taking risks, like starting a business or investing, is crucial. Confidence and resilience will keep you moving forward, even under pressure. Now that we've covered why financial education is so important, let's dive into the 4 rules of being financially literate. Rule 1, never invest in what you don't understand. Investing is essential for growing your money. While there are many investment options, stocks, real estate, businesses, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Your brain is your greatest money-making tool. Stay informed, learn new skills, and always keep up with industry trends. Whether you're investing in a business, real estate, or stocks, make sure you fully understand what you're getting into. Remember, there are scams and bad advice out there. Do your research and consult trusted experts before putting your money on the line. Rule 2, debt is a tool, not a threat. Debt isn't inherently bad. In fact, when used correctly, it's a powerful tool. The key is knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt helps you generate income, like a loan to start a business. Bad debt, on the other hand, drains your resources without offering any return. Always have a plan to manage and repay debt responsibly. Rule 3, think rich wealth starts in the mind. Picture yourself living a wealthy life and act accordingly. This doesn't mean recklessly spending beyond your means. It means adopting a growth mindset. Instead of cutting back on small pleasures like coffee, focus on increasing your income. Learn new skills and seize opportunities to improve your financial situation. Rule 4, develop skills to build assets. Assets put money in your pocket while liabilities take it out. Your biggest asset is your mind. Develop high income skills that are in demand and use them to create opportunities. The more assets you acquire, the closer you'll be to financial independence. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.